What's going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. So today is finally the day that we get to go pick up the body kit for the Supra. I'm so excited. We've been waiting months and months and months for this thing. I can't wait to see how it looks. I'm excited to get it. So we're gonna go to Bulletproof Automotive, and I believe they're in Hawthorne, California. So we're gonna go out there, check it out, and see what this thing looks like. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I just went inside Bulletproof. They didn't really let me film inside. They're a little strict on that stuff, but we're gonna go out to the back and pick up the parts right now. So let's go. Alright guys, so we picked up the body kit. Man, it's in here. It's in here. And we're excited, man. We'll see what happens. Can't wait to open it up with the boys. I'm gonna invite the boys over today, so stay tuned. Let's go home. Alright guys, made it home. Here it is. There is. You know, we get that real stuff, not that fake stuff. Oh. Alright, let's open it up. Alright guys, I have to move the cars around, sorry. Hi Bella. Alright, let's open up this box. Let's see what we have. I like totally messed up my box. Alright. I'll set this down. Alright, so open this side. Whoops. By the way, that's my daily. Alright, let's see. Oh my god. I'll set this right here. Guys, oh, look at this beautiful bumper. There does a really good job in packing the Supra out. Check this out. So this is what's gonna go on the Supra. And they taped it everywhere. Alright, so now we gotta take up all the tape. Sure, it's nicely cut because it's carbon fiber and I don't want to dig into there too deep, so you got to be very careful when you're doing this. And you get all the top layer. Alright, so the boxing is undone. Here is the Veris Joker kit. It's actually the Hurtling kit by Veris. We got the carbon fiber, guys. Look how beautiful this is. 100% carbon. That's the inside of it. And this is what we were waiting for. So I'm really excited. The badge is missing. It's inside the box. I forgot to get it, so I'll show you guys that later. But here it is. Oh my god, I can't wait for it to be on the car. It's gonna look so good. I'm probably gonna get rid of the mesh. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if I should keep it on there, paint it black, or just eliminate it altogether. I eliminated it on the Evo. I took it off. I just didn't like the way it looked. But let me know what you guys think. I should get rid of the mesh. And I don't know if I should do like some kind of like a cool like pinstripe or something here on the edge. But I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. Alright guys, so I actually just picked up some dinner, and I'm almost at Flexo's house. You guys are going to be able to see, you guys are going to actually see a lot of Flexo and Javier in these videos. Sorry, I'm kind of zoomed in because I'm driving, but it should be a lot of fun. Again, I just want to say thank you before this whole journey starts and vlogging. Thank you for all the support. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I cannot thank you guys enough for, you know, the continuous support and love. So I'm really excited to show you guys what we're gonna do. So just stay tuned. As soon as I get to Flexo, I'm gonna pull up and have some dinner, and then we're gonna go check out the parts for the Supra. Oh, my window's all dirty. Where's Flexo? Who's that gangster? Gangster. When you wear a pro club, you know you're a cholo.
I ain't got no tag on this shit.
What's up? Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera, but
What is that, velvet?
oh my god, that looks so good.
Ooh wee.
That looks so much better than that ugly blue that I had. Vinyl blue.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright. Dude, it looks next piece. So that's the headliner. Man.
They're not ready for this. They ain't allowed to see this yet. Yeah, look at the brown.
Oh my god, look at the brown, yes. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, dude, look at the stitch. I don't know if you guys could really tell as the yellow stitching on there.
That's where the other piece goes in.
Yeah, yep. Dude. Oh, looks so good. You gotta bring it over to the light more.
Yeah. And you have like a little plastic insert that's supposed to go in for the glove compartment?
Yeah.
Where the handle is?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Bring it over here. Guys, this looks... Oh my god. Bring it over here on the light more. Jesus. Look at that, guys.
Just gotta get cleaned up a little bit.
Yeah, and we'll steam it. Oh man, looks so nice.
It's the glove.
That's the glove box, guys. Look at that.
That's where your little plastic piece is supposed to go.
Oh yeah. I know what you're talking about. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Oh, the glove box?
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Attention to detail, huh?
sexy, bro.
Oh man.
That's the last piece
That's the elbow,
for the center console.
the center console.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
E-brake goes over there.
E-brake goes here, shifter goes there. That bad.
Yeah, there it is.
My gosh, it looks so good. Can't wait to see the rest of it.
Yeah, man. The center console?
Yep. Look at that. So we're still missing what? The seats,
Back seats.
the back plastic panels.
The floor?
No, we're missing the pillars, right? And the dashboard.
Yeah.
The dashboard.
Yeah, that's gonna be a little. That's a cool mission. That one's got so many like little
Pieces.
and stuff.
So Flexo's cousin is actually the one that did my interior. He actually went and picked it up. We're gonna go pick it up at his house, but he was in the area and he just decided to pick it up. So thank you.
Yeah, because the LA traffic, that's going to be like an hour worth of drive when it's like less than 10 miles.
Yeah, this is bad. Well, thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
For sure.
Yes. So that's the real save the hair. Let me see that gear wax, baby. Let me see what it's doing for you. Oh, look at that. Would you use the spray wax? Banana wax?
The detailer spray. Oh, tire shine.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I'm exhausted. We went all over SoCal to get the stuff for today for the Supra. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys the side skirts, more parts of the interior, and things that we're going to be doing to the car. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video now. Thank you so much for the support. You guys are absolutely amazing. And always remember, if you believe, you will achieve. See you guys.